And hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. So I release a lot of Python tutorials and it's going to continue like that for probably a couple of months or maybe even years. So one thing I wanted to tell you is how to code Python on Android. So what you want to do is you want to go to Play Store, and then here you want to search for pydroid free. This is somewhat of an IDE for Python free on your Android. So you can install this, which will take a few seconds. Now once it's done installing, you can say open, and this will open up pydroid free. It will take a short while to install Python on your device so you can use it. Just give it a few seconds. Now once Python is done installing, you can start coding Python on your device. So let's write out this simple print statement here by just saying print, and then in brackets we can say what it should print. And if you run this, then as you can see, we get hello world, what we expected. So this application has also a lot of other features such as pip, so you can install libraries and then you can use it on your Android device as well. So it's easy to follow along with the course if you need to do something. So let's, just as an example, create a little mobile application here with a GUI. Now if we were to try and run this, and now there should be a little application on our device. As you can see, this is an app window. So even for some basic Android app development, tkinter can be pretty useful alongside with Python. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed and can now follow the courses along with me.